Alright, so with the chrome delete done on the Accord, the gloss black looks really nice. It goes in well with my tint, so it's nice. But this is coming off. This is gonna change it back to gloss black. I've had it for a long time, so I just want to change it up. See how everything here is gloss black? I want to change that up too. So, yep, let's give it a shot. And this looks so much better. See, I had the gloss black swapped out with the forged material. Took this off and look how nice this looks. Blends in really nice with the tints as well. So I'm changing this to gloss black. This is brand new, how it came with the vehicle. I'm gonna be putting the chrome delete basically, but for this side it's gonna be A, B, and C pillars for the black gloss black vinyl on this to protect it and give it a nice look. Look at that, it already looks good without that. See the difference? Yep, gonna be doing that to gloss black as well. Alright fam, here we have it. It's all done. Looks a lot nicer. I like it a lot more now. Everything with being gloss black. Gloss black, gloss black. Just goes in with the tints very nice. The back is done as well. And I'll definitely show you guys on the other side. It was pretty nice and easy. Just kind of line it up on top and really just use a thumb or just a straight finger. All the bubbles came out. And then just kind of push it a little bit here with using a pry toolkit. Or squeegee works too, something very small that could go in there. And same thing on the other side, so it worked out perfect. On the inside, it doesn't come off or anything like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and record the other side. But this is how it's gonna look though. I like it. Yeah. Took me about 10 minutes, I would say. This 1, 2, and 3 pillars. Took me about 10 minutes to do it properly. Oh yeah, looks nice. Alright, check it out. I literally just put it up there. I just want to line it up there, just like that. And that's a little too much to the left. That should be fine right there. And that should be fine. And then literally I just make sure that it's lined up in the bottom as well. Like that. I double check the sides. And this side, make sure it's gonna go inwards. Yep. That's good too. And then from middle, I'm literally just gonna go up, work this half area first. Because you might run into a short problem, like for instance, how it's a little bit short, very tiny short, very tiny, but it shouldn't be an issue or anything like that, but we should be good. But you can always like stretch it down a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do. So you see, you can literally, it's 75 degrees outside right now. So if you use your thumb over this, it kind of heats up with your body temperature. And then I'm gonna bring down the rest as well up to here. See all the bubbles are coming out. It's super easy to install this, guys. And then I'm just gonna pull onto this whole thing a little bit. That should do it. And that should give that a little bit of extra in the bottom that was needed. Yep, that's perfect right there. Awesome. This is how you're gonna do that panel and the other panel as well. So I would just kind of pull this open a little bit from the corner and push this beneath so it doesn't come off. Alright, we're golden. So literally just use this smallest pry tool like that, push everything down there, and then over here I kind of bend it a little bit, not like all the way like this because you're gonna have a crease, whatever. So I kind of like bend it first at an angle like that, and then I kind of work my way with the rest of the side. So as you guys could see, works out perfect that way. And if you guys heat gun, use a heat gun, this will kind of get stuck to this basically. It'll be perfect. It's 75 degrees outside right now, so the weather's good. I'm not driving it much either after this, so this will kind of seal itself after overnight basically. It'll be perfect. It'll be good to go. But yeah, this is it. This is how easy it's done. Do the same thing for the other sides. Same thing for that side. And then when it comes on this side, make sure that you kind of open this up, and then you can push the vinyl up behind this rubber piece. And yeah, that should be good. You should be good to go though. Super easy, fam. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified of upcoming content, and peace out till next time. And it is all done. Looks a lot beautiful than what it was. I like it a lot.